Hey everyone, Dale here. So I've had a problem with this tractor. The front steering this year, I could barely even steer it, and it was so tight. So I watched another YouTube video. They pop this off, they pop the linkage off, they heat this up and they beat it down. Now I was missing the caps on here, so that might be part of the problem. But I started thinking about it. I thought, how could I make this better? So I did grease it, and it's still stiff. So what I came up with is to take a piece of hose, put it over, put a clamp on it, and put ATF fluid in there. And then work it back and forth. And then what I might do is just put like a little topper on it, like a pill bottle or something like that, just so no crap gets in there. And then just ride it like that around, and then hopefully it'll seep down. Hopefully it'll seep down into that shaft and lubricate it so that it moves a lot easier. It's already moving better now, but I'm going to do both sides and see if that'll seep down. So I'll keep an eye on it. I'm going to put one on each side with a clamp. And this is what it is here, just a little hose. And I put that right over top, and I put the clamp on it. Just like that. It makes a little spot to hold the fluid, ATF fluid. Just put it down there like that, and then I put my clamp on. Gotta open that up a bit. And I put my clamp on there. And then I just boom, just like that. So now that's tight on there. And see how that, it'll just seep down over that ring and then hopefully lubricate the shaft all the way down. Instead of having to take the whole thing apart, and it'll probably just end up doing it again anyway. So what I would do is just leave those on there and just add a little oil to them every once in a while. I think that might be a better idea than, you know, and it'll always have lubrication that way. And then just take some old ATF fluid here. ATF is good because it really penetrates. Just put a little bit in there, and we'll work it back and forth. You know, it might take a couple days to get all the way down through that shaft, especially if it's rusty. But I'll just come out here and keep doing that. I've also lubricated these, and I've greased it here, down here, on each side, but it's pretty hard to get all the way up through that shaft if it's rusty. So this way the oil is just sitting in there, and it can't get past here because it's clamped. Same with this side. It's greased there, clamped, the oil can't get past. So I got my little pill bottle in there. I know it looks funny, but hey, it works. I mean, I don't want this secured because I want it to be able to breathe, to be able to, you know, be gravity fed. But there's my kind of idea right there. And we'll see if it works. It may not, it may. I'll just keep working it back and forth. And then I'll give you an update video too of it. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe below. And give it a like, and I will keep you informed on how this goes down the road while I'm mowing my grass, because I've got a lot of grass, and see if that that helps it out any for the steering. And then I can always just put a little cork in the tops and just add a little oil every now and then. I think it'll work out perfect. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think. Make a comment down below if you've had problems and if you've come up with any solutions like this. that's my solution instead of having to rip it all apart. Maybe I will have to rip it all apart, but I'm gonna try that first. Anyway, yeah, I even notice it's getting better. I can do it with my finger. Before I had to just like this to get it to move. Now I can use my finger to almost move it. So it's definitely getting better. I wonder if that oil's seeping down in through that shaft there. Oh well, I'll just keep playing with it. Maybe it'll get better and better. Remember guys, you gotta subscribe. Where else are you gonna get this informative information, creativity like this? Gotta subscribe to my channel. Please do. And leave a comment as well. Well guys, it's been a couple of weeks now. I said I was gonna do a follow-up video, but I just wanted to mention, it's been a couple of weeks. This thing works awesome. You know, this one is still about where it was, maybe a little bit lower. This one has drained down quite a bit. I think there's not much left in it, so I'm going to top that one up. But this thing it's just like a Cadillac now. I mean, it just turns nice and easy. So yeah, it works really well. So, you know, don't knock it till you try it. Try it out, guys.